This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a GTM account and the container ID like GTMXXXXX. Once confirmed, sign into Google Sites with edit privileges because you'll need to paste code. Next, open the GTM workspace and copy the container ID or snippet to your clipboard. This is the exact token Sites needs. Make sure to use the correct container for production versus staging so data flows to the right property. With that ready, move to your site editor to place the tag. Now open the site in Google Sites Editor and go to Settings, then the Analytics or Custom Tags section. Labels vary by site's version. Paste only the container ID into the GTM field rather than the full script. Sites handles placement for you. After pasting, save the setting and hit Publish so the change goes live. If you use multiple pages, one global setting covers them, which keeps implementation consistent. Once published, return to GTM to set up tags and triggers tied to this container. Finish by verifying the setup. Enable GTM preview/debug mode, then open your published site to watch tags fire in real time. This shows why a tag did or did not run. If you don't see activity, clear cache or test in an incognito window and inspect network calls for your GTMXXXXX identifier. Make sure the correct container ID is pasted and the site was published after edits. If problems persist, recopy the ID from GTM and republish. That usually resolves mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.